Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let me show you how to make a quick juice and milk within just 5 minutes. So stay tuned, watch until the end. So this is a lemon. Oh my goodness, I think lemon is my favorite. It has stuck on my head. This is orange. I'm removing the cover like this way. I got the next part. I do like this. You understand? Like this way. And then I just cut into small pieces like this. I take this one too. I cut into small pieces like this way. It's a quick one, very quick. And then I need to take the phone and show you the progress. So from there, I just take it like this inside. You see? And I just put a little bit of sugar. Ooh. You see? From there, I'm going to add milk. Yeah. Let us add milk, a little bit of it. Like that way. And then from there, we are going to blend it. A very quick one recipe. You know, you guys, you're going to like it. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Here it is. So it's time to open it. Let me just open it. And you can see how it looks. I need to get something and, you know, like that. It's time to take ice cube from this side. Oh, ice cube does not want. Just wait a minute. Now here my ice cube. Ooh. Guys, can you see? Something so delicious. So yummy. Like that way. And you put your slow like that. You can try for your family, your friends, and it is what it is, like that way. So let me take my thumbnail from this side, and we end our video. So keep supporting me by subscribing, watch and comment. Road to success.